We have a crazy garage where we have a lot of storage, and we also have an underground tunnel. So I use moisture absorbers, and there are two brands that I love: the DampRid moisture absorber and the VacPlus moisture absorber. They both work the same way. It's calcium chloride, and basically these little crystals here will slowly but surely collect liquid, and as they do, they will dissolve down into here as a liquid collection. And then when this is all filled with moisture and these are all gone, you just replace them. And each of them have the same kind of lid on them, which is like this protective cloth layer and then this plastic topper so nothing gets in there. And you can also get them with smells. This one is unscented, and this DampRid actually has a fresh scent. I like this one specifically near our trash can as it definitely helps with the smells a little more, but they both do the same thing in getting that excess moisture and eliminating musty odors. Excellent moisture absorbers.